Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to analyze the syllabus of data structures and algorithms with respect to net examination. So, you all know that DSA stands for data structures and algorithms. So, we can divide this entire unit into two parts, that is data structure part plus algo part. Okay, so approximately we can expect around 10 questions from this unit, and probably you can comfortably attend a minimum of 7 questions to 8 questions without much effort. Okay, so predominantly this subject is about the depth understanding about the concepts of data structures and algorithms. So whenever you are very good at the basic concept with respect to data structures and the logic of computer science, this unit will be a cakewalk for you. Now I am going to take you through the detailed analysis of the syllabus, that what you have to study and what not to study, right? நம்ம ஒரு டாபிக்கா பார்க்கலாம், என்னென்ன டாபிக்ஸ் இருக்கு, என்னென்ன படிக்கணும். So what I am going to give hereafter from now onwards is my analysis with respect to DSA. This is my analysis with respect to DSA, right? So the unit starts with the concepts of arrays. Okay, that is one of the basic foundation data structure. In that you have to concentrate about two important things called row major order and column major order. So these are the two ways in which we are representing or storing array at memory. Okay, and then the second topic of interest will be stack. So with respect to stack, you have to understand the properties of stack, the applications of stack, and the problems with respect to stack. This problem means you are going to handle some problem based questions with respect to stack. Problem based questions, right? And then in the same way, the next data structure is queue. You have to understand about the properties, you have to understand about the applications, also you have to understand about the problems. Also there are different types of queue, like D queue, double-ended queue, circular queue, etc. So you have to concentrate about that also. The fourth topic of interest is linked list, where we are going to store the element in order, but we are going to take memory into account. We are going to take memory into account. So here also you have to discuss about the properties, applications, problems, and types. With respect to linked list, there are different types like singly linked list, doubly linked list, circularly linked list. So you have to concentrate about the types also. The next topic will be trees. It is one of the vast topic, where this is the first example with respect to non-linear data structure with respect to this unit, and you have to concentrate about the different types of trees. There are a lot of properties with respect to trees which will help you to understand the idea behind the different types of trees, so you can generate the formula by understanding the properties of trees. And then you have to discuss about the binary search tree, traversal, balanced binary tree. With respect to balanced binary tree, there are different types of trees like AVL, red black tree, B plus tree, etc. So it's one of the vast unit, but mostly you can expect a minimum of 2 questions to maximum of 3 questions. Minimum of 2 questions to maximum of 3 questions from this particular unit alone. And then the sixth topic is heap. It is also one of the interesting data structure, where we can find the minimum and maximum element in order of one time. Minimum and maximum element in order of one time. So if it is a min heap, you can get the minimum element in order of one time. If it is a max heap, you can get the maximum element in order of one time. But in order to get it in order of one time, you have to do some process. There are two important algorithms that you have to apply such that this tree structure will get this order of one fashion. How we are going to do that, we will discuss in future, right? So heap is also a very important topic. Minimum one question we can expect. Definitely, repeatedly they are asking from this particular topic. And then the seventh topic of interest is a time complexity with respect to searching and sorting algorithms. Searching and sorting algorithms. Okay. So with respect to searching algorithm, predominantly we will be concentrating in two algorithms, that is called linear search and binary search. With respect to sorting algorithms, there are different types of sorting, starting from selection sort, shell sort, merge sort, quick sort, tree sort, counting sort, bucket sort, radix sort, etc. There are different types of sorting algorithms. We have to understand this algorithms working. Also, you have to understand the best case, worst case, and average case time complexity of all the algorithms. We can expect a match type questions from this. Okay, match type questions from this. And then the next topic of interest will be 8th. We are getting into the algo part. The algo part, the first and foremost topic is recurrence relation. So we will solve this problem using one theorem called as a master theorem. It's called as a master theorem. Also, there are some other versions of that theorem we will discuss if possible. And then with respect to algo, we can divide this entire block into 5 units, 5 small subunits. The first unit will be, or let us give us A, divide and conquer strategy. Second one will be greedy approach. Third one will be dynamic programming. Fourth one will be backtracking. And then the last one will be branch and bound. Okay. So there are a lot of problems associated with each and everything. So for example, if you take divide and conquer, merge, sort, finding minimum and maximum, like that, there are a lot of algorithms are associated with respect to each and every strategies. These are algorithmic strategies. So for a given problem, we are provided with these 5 strategies. Which strategy will be good for the given problem? You have to analyze, you have to get the time complexity and space complexity of that particular algorithm with respect to one strategy, and you have to analyze that. So you have to analyze the space complexity, time complexity with respect to best case, worst case, and average case. So all are very, very important. We can expect the match type questions, and there are different algorithms associated with each and every strategies, and you have to know the algorithms. That is a very, very important thing. Also, some of the important algorithms are, we have to understand about the breadth first search, depth first search, spanning tree, minimum cost spanning tree algorithms like Kruskal algorithm and Prim's algorithm. Definitely they will ask. From dynamic programming, they will ask one question on longest common subsequence. Very, very important question. And from greedy approach, they will be asking about the Huffman coding again and again and again. They will be asking these kind of things. Also, in recent times, they have started asking with respect to the one topic called fast Fourier transform. It is also one of the very important topic. Also, they will be asking about the P and the NP problems with respect to polynomial time and non-polynomial time. This topic will be covered with respect to theory of computation also, right? Under the topic called NP completeness. So these are all the very important topics that are asked in a frequent fashion in a recent time. So if you ask me what are all the things that we have to concentrate, sir, all these things we have to concentrate. From arrays, stack, and queue, you will get a very, very easy problem based on situation oriented problem they will be asking. From trees, they will be asking predominantly about the properties, their types, and the binary search tree traversal and balanced binary tree. Small problems are possible, definitely easily crackable. With the heap, they will be asking definitely a simple question with respect to time complexity, or they will be giving an array of input and ask you to convert it into a min heap or max heap. Definite question. So here one question with respect to my analysis. Linked list, you may get one question. from trees 2 question, from heap 1 question, with respect to time complexity 1 question, from algorithm definitely one match will be there, every time one match will be there. In the left hand side they will give the strategies, in the right hand side they will give a problem, you have to match it. So with respect to algorithm, you can get minimum of 2 questions, and recurrence relation 1 question definitely possible, right? So these are all the things you have to concentrate. And if you are concentrating well and you are analyzing and working out well with respect to these topics, easily, comfortably, you can get minimum of 7 questions, maximum of 8 questions, so that out of 20 marks maximum that is possible with respect to unit, you can get a maximum of 16 marks easily, right? I didn't touch graph because it is an intersection unit with respect to discrete maths also, so I didn't concentrate on graph part here. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please note down all these topics, start preparing. Hardly we are having 90 more days from now. Okay, my best wishes for your best preparation, my dear friends. Thank you so much.